You are welcome to online lectures with Fraternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at chemistry, and we have a question on the board. The question says, elements P, Q, R, S have 6, 11, 15, and 17 electrons respectively. Therefore, A. P will form an electrovalent bond with R. B. Q will form a covalent bond with S. C. R will form an electrovalent bond with S. D. Q will form an electrovalent bond with S. For us to solve this question, the first step is to use the electrons, number of electrons, and establish their respective electronic configuration. So if we look at the electronic configuration, then we will know which of them can combine with each other to form any type of bond. All right, let's go. Of course, remember, in electrovalent bond there is a transfer of electron, outermost shell, electron in the outermost shell. So there's a transfer of electron. But in covalent bond, there is what? Sharing of what? Electron. So now let's go. All these things, whether they are sharing electron or transferring electron, the aim is to do what? To get a stable configuration, either octet or what? Or what? Duplet. All right, let's go. Now, let us pick what the one after the other. P has, even though they didn't mention whether ion or whatever, but we assume that is the atom we are talking about now. So the number of electron is equal to the number of proton in atom. In an atom, because an atom is what? Neutral. So now, we take this to be the atomic number. We take this to be what? The atomic number. Because we assume that this is an atom here now, not just because an atom of an element. So now let's go. So for P has 6. P has what? 6. So the atomic configuration, we have 2 and what? 4. 2 and what? 4. Then for Q has what? 11. So we have 2, 8, 1. So for R has 15. So we have 2, 8, 5. Then for S has 17. So we have 2, 8, 7. Now, this is the first shell, second shell. The outermost shell is this. First shell, second shell. The outermost shell is this. Outermost shell is this, and this. Now, if you check, this thing has 4. There's no way this can move 4, can transfer 4 electrons to another atom. It's not possible. You cannot transfer 4 electrons, because the idea is to make it to be what? 8. To achieve octet configuration. So this can never transfer. Instead, it can only share. This can share. Now let's go here. This can easily transfer this electron. This can easily transfer this electron with ease. The ionization energy with ease. Yes. This one has 5. This has 5. This cannot transfer it. It can only share. it can only what? Shear. And it can accept in some cases, depending on the nature of the what, the other what atom. But it can never transfer. This is too heavy to transfer. This can accept electron, and it can also do what? Shear electron. So this can accept and shear. So this can only shear, this can transfer, this can accept and it can shear, this can accept and it can shear. Now let's go to the options. P will form an electrovalent bond with R. So P and R. This one is 4, it cannot transfer. And this is 5, and it cannot even if it can transfer from some, it can accept from some, but it cannot receive from them because this cannot even transfer. So a electrovalent bond is not possible between P and R. So this is not the answer. Let's go to B. Q will form a covalent bond with S. Let's see. This is Q. This is Q and S. This cannot shear, it can only transfer. You remember covalent bond, there is shearing, but this can only transfer. It cannot share electron with this. This can only transfer to this to complete it, octet, and itself becoming octet, but it cannot share. So covalent bond is not possible between Q and what? S is not possible. So B is not the answer. Then C. R will form an electrovalent bond with S. Let's look at R. This is R. This is S. Remember, electrovalent bond has to do with what? Transfer of electron and acceptance of electron. This can accept, but this cannot transfer. So this and this cannot form an electrovalent bond because there's electrovalent bond, there's transfer and acceptance of electron. So the electrovalent bond is not possible between R and S. Let's go to D. D says Q will form an electrovalent bond with S. Let's look at Q. This is Q. This is S. Perfect. Q, electrovalent bond involves transfer and acceptance of electron. So Q can easily transfer this one electron in atomos shell to form octet configuration, and that one electron can enter here, and this becomes A to form the same stable octet configuration. So electrovalent bond is possible between Q and S because one can easily be transferred to this 7 to make it 8. So this is the answer. I'll take this option D as answer. So Q can form an electrovalent bond with S. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The channel name is Fameternity, the Schoolboy. It's also on the screen. Subscribing to YouTube channel is very easy and free of charge. All you need to do is just to go to YouTube channel, search for Fameternity, the Schoolboy, and click on the red button written subscribe. Once you click on it, you are already subscribed. And you look by the side, you see a button that looks like a bell. Click on it. That is a notification button. The idea is that whenever we post a new lecture, you will get notified that, see, these people have posted a lecture. Go and watch. That's all. And please like my video, comment, share with your friends, your colleagues, your children, your students. Someone out there may need these lectures. Lest I forget, I am organizing a monthly academic competition. I tag academic battle with Fameternity, the Schoolboy. It's a monthly affair, every first Saturday of the month. Please chat me up on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp so that you get more information on this. A lot of prizes are to be won. Yes, on monthly basis, people win prizes. The idea is to actually help people to do what? Study, help our young ones to study. And if you are interested in sponsoring this, in investing in the education of our younger ones, our future leaders, please feel free to chat me up. Any amount will help us accomplish this. And if you want to participate, chat me up and get the link for registration. Registration is free because the prizes to be given are from people's donation, people sponsor it, so it's free of charge. We don't charge anything for registration. Believe you me, if you follow this competition, it will help you to grow academically. Believe you me. All right, the one that is coming up, you see it at the end of this lecture, at the end of this video. You see the one that is coming up now. All right, thank you very much for your attention once more. God bless you. See you next time.